Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Datates. As part of my Databricks 101 series, now I will be discussing about Databricks managed and external tables. This is the seventh module in the series. If you have not watched our previous modules, please check them out. Fine, let's get started. What are Databricks tables? Databricks tables are similar to RDBMS tables, but in Databricks, we have two types of tables. One is the managed table, the other one is the external table. What's the difference between them? When you create managed tables, both the metadata and data is managed by Databricks. And if you drop this kind of the table, both metadata and data are lost permanently. So we should be cautious about it. Other kind of the table is the external table. In case of external table, only the metadata is managed by Databricks. And table will be pointing to some data managed by the user. If you drop the external table, we are going to lose just the metadata. Data will be still intact. And if you would like to create the table again, just execute the table definition and your table will be back. Let us see this in action. Just a minute. For your initial learning, you can use Databricks Community Edition. Though I have discussed about signing up to the Express Edition in one of our previous videos, due to some limited credits that they are providing to us that may not be suitable, that's when right you can opt for Community Edition. I leave this URL in the description. You can just access it and provide your personal mail ID, and in no time you will be getting your Databricks Community Edition, which is for free. And as of now, this community edition, once you sign up, it will be available for your lifetime. I'm using Community Edition to showcase this. I have the cluster up and running. I'm connecting my notebook to that, and let us create a table. Just like in RDBMS, I will say create table. Let us go with very simple one. Let us say create table name, and let us create table student. Name is the column. With that, what happened? Let us see. I will just execute it. While that happens, let us try to grab details about it. Okay, let me say describe extended, and I will be giving the name of the table. This will be giving entire details about our table. Let us wait for the previous one to complete. Okay, it's taking quite a time. Cannot create table, Spark catalog default, association location and all it says. Um, it says this is not empty. Seems like I have table with this name. So let us create maybe a table with the name person one. Let me say person one. Let us try that. Cool. The table is created. We are doing describe extended person one, and this is not of Python type. This is of SQL type. So let us change the magic command. And now you could see here, right? First the column name and data type. Name is the column name, data type is a string. There is no comment, so it is null because we didn't provide comment while defining the table. Detailed table information. Catalog is Spot catalog. So that's what we get in the community edition. We don't get Unity catalog here. Database name is default because we didn't create any database. So it is using the default database. Table name is person one, got created at so and so time. And very important, the type of the table is managed. Whenever you are creating a table in Databricks, for every table that you create, there is going to be associate storage layout for that table on the file system. That's what you are observing here, the location of the table. Whatever table we created, it got created at this location, user hive warehouse, and whatever our table name is there, with the table name, a folder is created. Let us check on that. I go to catalog, I go to DBFS here, file store, one second, tables, then check. We should be having, one second, pardon, it's not file store, it is user, hive, warehouse, and then we have the person one created. Fine. And there is some metadata here. We will be talking about this kind of tables and what is this metadata for later. But corresponding to the table definition that we have created, we could see that there is some storage layout happening. Let us try to insert a record into this table. Insert into person one values, and let me say RAM. Great, that should proceed. And now, meanwhile, let us check, is there any changes to the storage layout that we observed? Hive warehouse, person one. Now, along with that underscore delta folder, we do have the part file now. And kind of this file is parquet file. Interesting, right? You are getting maybe few questions. We will try to answer all of them in the upcoming series. As of now, let us just try to understand what are the two types of the tables that we have. Great. Now, what I do, I drop table, and I say person one. With that, what will happen? Let us observe. Fine. It says okay. Let's go to catalog again. Let's go to DBFS, user, hive, warehouse, and then we have here the uh, it's gone. Actually, right? Person one is gone. No more we have the corresponding folder over here. So that's what I was mentioning. When you drop the manage table, you are going to lose both the table and the data. If you say now show tables, obviously, right? Person one won't be listed. Person one won't be listed. You can check on that, right? So for that matter, right, no tables are there in our default database. Fine. Now what we do is same thing. Let us try to create, but this time I will mention location. Create table person one. I will be giving the location here like dbfs star slash file store slash tables slash let me give it as person one location or person one table, I will say. With that, what will happen? Let us execute it. Now, explicitly, we are mentioning location where, right, storage layout for this table can takes place. Let us do describe extended, and you could clearly see the type of the table is external. Location of the table is whatever location we mentioned. Let us have a look. Let's go to DBFS, file store, tables, and here person one underscore table. We don't have the folder created with the name of the external table. We have the folder location, whatever we mentioned, and in that again, the same structure as you observed for manage table is present. Cool, fine. Let us again repeat the same. Let us insert into person one certain value. Like previous, a Parquet file should be getting created there. Now let me drop it. Let us observe that the Parquet file as well. File store tables, person one table. There is Parquet file here. Let us drop this table now. Let us say show tables. Nothing to show, but do we have anything here? File store tables and person one underscore table still is there in the place, and we do have the data as well. So with that, it is clear for managed table, when you drop it, both data and metadata are lost. For external tables, when you drop the table, only the metadata is lost and data is still intact. Very, very important concept in Databricks. Thank you. Stay tuned.